Hi there, folks. Not 10 minutes ago, the sun was shining, it was 74 degrees. Humidity was high, but now it's still 74 degrees, but I'd say the humidity's gone up a bit. Welcome to Tennessee. Anybody want to go metal detecting? Look at that. In 15 minutes from now, the sun may be out and doing nothing. Right now, torrential downpour and wind. See y'all on the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. How'd you like that downpour? Anyways, I got another live stream coming up soon because I just got more mail. I got one from Ian McGoth and one from RSO. I'll leave you hanging. Most of you should know what RSO is. If not, come to the live stream and find out. See y'all.